你好 welcome to my Mandarin channel. I'm Phoebe. 我是 Phoebe. In today's video, you'll learn how to count to 10 in Mandarin Chinese, some useful pronunciation tips to help you sound more natural, Taiwanese number hand gestures, and some real-life sentences that you can use right away. If you're a beginner, welcome to join my WhatsApp group. I'll be sharing some pronunciation tips, useful vocabulary, and sentences there. So check out the description box down below. I'll share the link there. Let's get started. I'll start with the number 0. 0 is ling in Mandarin Chinese. You can think of it as the phone ringing. So ling, ling. It's the second tone, which is the rising tone. Repeat after me. Ling, ling, ling. From 1 to 10, we use different gestures, and I'm going to show you the first one. 1 is E. So it sounds similar to the vowel sound in T. T, E, E. Can you tell which tone it is? 很好, it's the first tone. So keep your voice high and flat. 跟我说 E, E, E. 2 is It sounds similar to the ER sound in teacher. Teacher, Can you tell which tone it is? 很好, it's the falling tone. Somebody call it an angry tone because it sounds angry. So imagine when you're angry, what kind of intonation you will use when you shout at people. 3 is san. It sounds similar to the English word sun. But when you say sun, open your mouth widely. Sun. As you can see, the initial sound is s, and the final sound is an. So s, an, san, san. 4 is s. It sounds similar to the S sound in snake. S, s, s. So when a lot of students see it, they thought it is s, E, C. But no, it's not C. It's S. It's also an angry tone. There's a fun fact I want to share. So S is considered an unlucky number because it sounds similar to the Chinese word death. So you might notice in a lot of buildings, we will skip the 4th floor. 5 is 5 in Mandarin Chinese. So it sounds similar to the OO sound in food. Food, ooh, ooh. Can you tell which tone it is? 很好, it's the third tone. 五, 五. 6 is Leo. It sounds similar to the English word Leo, but say it faster. Leo, Leo, Leo. It may look like there are 2 vowels, but don't say Liu. No, it's Leo. 7 is Qi. It sounds similar to the CH sound in cheese. But when you say Qi, keep your tongue high, close to the roof of your mouth, and spread your lips to the side. So you say Qi, Qi. 8 is ba. This sound is actually very intuitive. It is consist of the initial sound ba, the final sound a. So ba, a, ba, ba. 9 is jiu. It's similar to geo in geographic. But when you say jiu, keep your tongue really low behind your lower teeth. Jiu, jiu. 10 is shi. But look at the pinyin. Don't say she. No, it's shi. Second tone. 10 Now let's review the numbers and the hand gestures. Ready? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 Now we have learned how to count in Mandarin Chinese. Let's use these numbers to talk about the days of the week. It's actually pretty easy. Just put 礼拜 in front of the numbers. So I like to start with Monday. 礼拜一 What about Tuesday? You got it. 礼拜二 礼拜三 礼拜四 礼拜五 礼拜六 How about Sunday? It's not 礼拜七 We say 礼拜日 or 礼拜天 So how do we ask what day is it today? We say 今天礼拜几 So 今天 is today. 礼拜 is week. 几 means which or what number. So what day is it today? Is 今天礼拜几今天礼拜几 To answer this question, you can simply say 礼拜 What is it? 很好礼拜四 Maybe when you watch the video, today is Friday. What is it? 很好礼拜五 That's all for today's lesson. Thank you for learning with me till the end. If you'd like to watch more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you like my teaching style and would love to learn with me more regularly, feel free to contact me through my email. I hope to see you next time. 下次见，拜拜。